as you saw in the last video, we got this short block in from Subaru for the blue car, finally, after waiting for almost 2 months. Today, we're going to be installing the heads, the oil pan, all the little accessories, getting the engine ready to get in the blue car so we can rip it.
Let me show you guys my new STI short block that Alex helped me put in. Just finished up the break-in process about 2 days ago. This thing is ready to rock.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we laid out all the parts we need here for the engine, and we're going to start assembling it, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we installed the heads. We're actually missing the cam seal right here, so we're just going to leave the covers on and we'll put the seal in next week when we get it in. We are going to continue working. We're going to install the water pump, the oil pump. We'll also install the oil pan, maybe a couple other little things, but yeah, so that's the status. Alrighty guys, so as you saw in today's video, we got the motor pretty much, we did everything that we could do with the parts that we have. We're missing these lower seals right here. We're also missing a couple other seals for the turbo that are imperative before we can put that on. So we're going to order those, and then hopefully next weekend we'll have those. But as you can see, we got the heads all on, all the gears, all the coolant crossover, and all the other piping. And yeah, pretty happy with how this turned out.